This is a 1930 Model A Ford Coupe. I got it in 1996. The body had been chopped 4.5 inches. It wasn't really worth saving, so I actually put it back up to stock height, which was an ordeal. It was a rough car, and it's taken a long time to get it into any sort of shape at all, and it was going to be a street rod at first. We changed direction in the last probably 3 years, I think, to give it a try on the salt. I was on Norm Hardinge's team for I think 4 years now, and I think you get bitten by that bug. You don't want to leave it alone. His car is it's a 200 mile an hour race car, and I needed to start at the bottom. I needed a practice car. So this is a low-speed car. It's a big Chevy, and it's probably able to do something respectable, even though it's like a brick on wheels. The roll cage was a huge undertaking. It's probably taken 2 years to build. I had a lot of help with that one. It's got to have a seat that's a race seat, race belts, a steel floor in it that actually wasn't there. I had used a beautiful little wooden floor, and now it's got to have a steel floor over that. Parachute mount was another large structure, because the back of a Model A Ford doesn't really exist. There's no chassis past the rear end, and so that had to be built. Wheels, they had to be changed to race wheels. Well, we've just wired it. Scott Nosworthy's helped me to wire it. Next weekend, we'll try the starting circuit. We're going to try it out, see if we can start it up. The fuel system was actually a huge job. That's a competition system, and that's finished. So I think we've got everything in place to kick it over.